What's Patrick doing, Jeffrey? Was he boxing? Let me see. Okay.
I'm gonna beat the pants out of you.
Gotta punch faster than that. Oh, big boy, Jeffrey. What's your brother doing? Say, get it, Patrick.
I punched him in the face and got him down. Mommy's down.
Is he? Jeffrey, what's he doing?
I got a knockout.
You what?
I got a knockout.
Awesome. Are you trying to
I
call?
won. The bad guy lose. I
Awesome.
won.
Awesome.
Let's see what I did. Oh. 1, 4, 3, 9, 8.
Nice.
I'm playing again.
Okay. Jeffrey, can you stand up, big boy?
I got pounds out of that guy. Same guy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, punch fast. Go, Patrick, go.
You're running like a maniac.
Get him, Patrick, get him. Go, Patrick, punch fast. Punch fast. You got an itch? Oh, okay. Get your itch and then punch fast so you make him giggle.
I mean,